Are your properties really prepared for when disaster strikes? Introducing Regency DRT's Guardian Partnership Program, which provides the go-to restoration partner you need when disaster strikes, gives priority response in the event of an area-wide disaster, delivers fast response and fast completion, lowers restoration costs and unbudgeted expenses, protects you and all parties involved from future liability, and reduces stress and the chance of a public relations nightmare. You may not be able to prevent disasters from affecting your property. However, without a plan in place, you risk secondary damage and lost revenue if the problem isn't addressed right away.
The key factor in our Guardian Partnership Program is really trust. What we try to accomplish is to build the trust levels between us and you, our partner, before the disaster happens. So when you're in the midst of a disaster, you don't have to worry about who to call. You'll know who to call.
With the Guardian Partnership Program, you can rest easy knowing that Regency DRT will be there with you before, during, and after a loss to your property by gathering information in advance to be ready if disaster strikes. This enables us to mitigate damage quickly and correctly during the restoration process. And after the restoration is complete, we meet with you to update you on all actions taken, providing a comprehensive breakdown from start to finish and conduct a full debriefing chronicling the lessons learned.
During Hurricane Michael, the devastation in Bay County was unbelievable. One of our Guardian partners, First Baptist Church of Panama City, was affected. Almost every single building, 400,000 square feet.
I came down the day after the storm and it was obvious we weren't going to be able to meet as a congregation. But immediately, the day after, Regency DRT started bringing in equipment, and in 4 weeks, we were able to move back in our sanctuary. To me, what made the difference with Regency DRT, I heard from so many people that their contractor would come and then they wouldn't see them for 2 weeks. The thing that impressed me about Regency DRT, they set up an office on our campus. They were here every single day and they worked every single day until the project was finished.
Because of the trust that we had already built between us and them, we were able to start their process within 48 hours of the storm, probably the first church in town to be able to have a worship service in their own sanctuary. That's what trust does for you.
Protect yourself from liability and public relations issues by utilizing Regency DRT's tested and proven track record for working to the proper standard of care with comprehensive documentation of the restoration process and the professional expertise to navigate sensitive situations in the wake of a disaster.
So with our Guardian partners, what we do is train our operations staff about all of the challenges and specific needs of your property. So when a loss happens, we literally daily review that with our operations staff, all the way down to a helper, a senior technician, or a project manager to make sure we deliver the solution that we've discussed and make sure you have a successful restoration project.
Well, after Hurricane Michael, it was crazy. It was all hands on deck. So every morning we'd come in and we'd get the chalk talk from the CEO, and the little pep talk and get us going. But he was also really specific on what we needed to do to get these folks back in this church.
With experience on all kinds of properties and events from isolated residential to large losses and catastrophic area-wide disasters, Regency DRT is prepared to handle the big problems without overlooking the details. Utilizing our experienced staff, strategic partnerships with other industry leaders, and the necessary equipment and resources, our team is able to respond quickly and effectively. Regency DRT provides transparent restoration documentation so any third party can track what happened and what steps are being taken to restore the property back to pre-loss condition. It's not just about restoration work, it's about how we help your business remain running through the restoration process, working with you so you can get back to business as usual. The Regency DRT Guardian Partnership Program. You can't know the future, but you can prepare for it.